master data, transaction data, and
Okay.
configuration data.
Configuration data.
Okay, so we know you can do one thing. You can mute yourself. There is one mute button. Okay, so whenever you have doubt, you can ask.
Mm-hmm.
You will get better recording like that. Yeah, thanks. Whenever you have doubt, just unmute and ask me. There are three types of data in SAP CRM: master data, transaction data, and configuration data. What is master data? In master data, we have again three types. One is business partner master data. In short, we call it BP master data. We have product master data, product master. Third one is ORG model. Okay, all those things we will study in detail. BP like business partner, like consumer, customer, employee, okay, contact person, all comes under business partner. Product, whatever the product company have, those comes under product master. Like suppose Sony is using CRM, so what is their product? LCD, LED, home theater, mobiles. So that comes under product master. ORG model means organizational structure of the company comes under ORG model. Transaction data. What is transaction data? Whenever we create any business transaction in CRM, it generates data. Like if you create any quotation, it will generate data. That is a transaction data. If you create any sales order, it will create data. That is a transaction data. If you create any bill invoice, it will create a data. So that is a transaction data. Okay, that we call as a transaction data. Configuration data, whenever you make any configuration in business CRM, it generates a data that goes and saves in table, that we call as a configuration data. With all enhancement, whenever you do any enhancement, any customization or configuration, it generates a data, that is a configuration data. So SAP has classifies not only in CRM, it is everywhere in SAP all modules. So this is a classification of data in SAP's. Now we'll cover all. Our first thing is BP master data. In short, we called it as a BP. Definition of BP, very simple definition. Any individual or organization, you can mention. Organization have business interest with the with the company, we call it BP. Suppose there is one company like suppose Sony. Okay, Sony is using CRM to run their business process. Okay, and they have, and how they generate business? They generate business from some customers. Okay, what we'll do? We'll make one more box. They are some customer, consumer, whatever you want to call it. Okay, they gets business from them. Okay, and there are some employees also who runs the business for the Sony. Like there are some sales professional, there are some service professional, there will be some marketing professionals. Okay, so there will be some employees also here. These are the internal employees of the company. Employee. Okay, it can be sales guy, can be a marketing, it can be a service fellows, etc. Okay, they are the internal employees of the Sony. Those fellows only work for the Sony, they generate business from the market, they do all such kind of activities. Okay. So according to CRM, these customers are the BP for the Sony. Even employees are also a BP for the Sony because they have some business interest with the Sony. Employee will not generate, employee is not a, you can call it as a business, they have some business relationship with the Sony, and customer also have some business relationship. That's why we have mentioned a word here, business interest. So anyone who is associated with Sony with some business relationship, that we call as a business partner in CRM. Got it? Okay, so we have categories of BP. Categories of BP, we have three categories. One is person, another one is organization, third one is group. So whenever you want to create any BP, first we'll choose a category. Person is for any kind of individual person. Organization is for any kind of organization. Group for like NGO, executive board, housing board, bar association, okay, which not comes under company or not under individual, so that comes under group. Okay, we have three categories of BP. So whenever you want to create any business partner, first we'll choose a category. I'll show you how. T code is BP to create BP. Come to CRM. Okay, give the T code BP, press enter. You can see all these three categories: person, organization and group. Suppose I want to create an individual person. Click person. Okay. Then we'll choose the role. Suppose I'll give one more example. Suppose there is one bank. They are using CRM to maintain their business process, and in that particular bank I have account. So if bank wants to maintain my data, which category they will choose? They will choose person category, because I am an individual person. I have saving account in that bank. So bank will choose person category. Again, what is my role with respect to CRM? I am a consumer for them, or you can call it I am a customer for them, because my role is customer with respect to bank. Like that, there are some fellows who supplies stationery and stationery to the bank. So what is their role? Their role is vendor or supplier, just for example. Okay, so bank will choose person category, then they will choose vendor. Like that, if I take another example, suppose TCS, IBM, all they have account in the bank, they have current account in the bank. So what bank will do? First, bank will choose organization category, then they will give them a role, customer. Same thing for the group also. Any doubt up to this?
See, now you have told TCS, IBM, that comes under organization customer.
Correct.
And again, under our organization customer, will they select that again person?
No. How they can select person? I'll show you. See how the BP will, how we will create BP. See, suppose select organization category. We are in the organization category. What is the role of TCS? Consumer, suppose. Okay, click create. Give the name as a TCS. That's it. You can enter other fields also, like city, postal code, pin code, address and all. That also we can give. There are some other fields also. If you scroll down, you will get other fields also, like country. So those things also we can maintain. So like that we'll create a BP. What was your doubt?
Was see, if we create a organization like other than bank, somewhere else, okay, even if it is a bank also, under the organization, can we create a person?
No. How we can create a person? Organization will be organization.
Okay.
How we can make organization as a person? That is not possible.
Yeah, I know. I got it.
Okay. Then save it.
I thought, first what I thought is, under TCS, we can create some person. So I thought, whether it can be done. So that was my doubt.
Okay. No issue. See, system has created one BP with the unique ID 416065.
Yeah.
Okay, like that we can do. Same thing if you want to create person, BP, click person, give some ID like anything, suppose. Okay. Choose the role, any role, you can make it as an employee also. See. If you want to create employee, choose employee, click create. I am not entering other fields like name, telephone number, postal code, but we should enter. Save it. System will generate one BP with the unique ID. Okay. So likewise, we can create BP in CRM. So this is the BP creation. BP creation is not our job. That I am showing you how end user creates BP.